Okay, today we are working on lesson 22. We are on page 154, so please get to that page in your math book, and remember you can pause the video at any time. We're subtracting a whole number from a fraction. The only thing is you cannot subtract a whole from a fraction. You're going to have to change it or borrow from the whole in order to subtract it from a fraction. So if we borrow from 7, we take 1 away, that would give us 6 left. That 1 that we took away doesn't just go away, it's going to change into a fraction. In order to figure out what that 1 whole equals, we look at the denominator, which is 8, so we know it changes to 8 eighths. So now I have 6 8/8. I can subtract my 6 8/8, which also equals 7, from my 3/8, and now I can subtract the fractions. So my answer would be, we have 6 wholes, and 8 minus 3 would give us 5/8. So 6 5/8 is our answer. Okay, we're going to look at the next problem. We have 10. We break it apart. So we take from the 10 1 whole, which leaves us with 9 left over. That 1 whole that we took changes to a fraction. So we look at our denominator of our fraction, which is 10. So the 1 whole becomes 10 tenths. So now I have 9 10 tenths. I can subtract my 4 tenths from the 10 tenths. So I subtract 4 tenths, and I have 9 wholes. So I have 9 wholes as my answer, and 10 minus 4 is 6 tenths. So 9 6/10 is my answer. All right, moving down the page, we're going to look at the next one. So this time we have 3 minus 1/10. So we have to take 1 from the 3, and we're going to change it to a fraction, but that leaves 2. So now we have our fraction. We look at our denominator. The denominator's 10. So we know it would be 10 tenths. So we have 2 and 10 tenths. Now we can subtract our 1/10. So we know we have 2 wholes. So we put 2 wholes, and we have 10 tenths minus 1/10, which would equal 9 tenths. So 2 9/10 is our answer. Okay, next we're going to look at C. So we're going to make 6, take away 1 whole, which gives us 5. Now we make that whole into a fraction. We look at our denominator, which is 8. So we have 8 eighths. So now we have 5 8/8, and we can subtract our 5/8. So we know we have 5 wholes, so our answer has 5 wholes. We have 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3, so we have 3/8. So 5 3/8 would be our answer. Next, we're going to do D. So we break 7 apart. We take away a whole. We make it into 6 wholes. So now we have 1 whole, which equals as a fraction, looking at our denominator, which is 9. So we have 1 whole, which equals 9/9. So now we have 6 9/9. Now we're going to subtract our 3/9, and we have 6 wholes left and 9 minus 3. So we would have 6 and 6/9. So 6 6/9 is our answer. Okay, you're going to do problem B on your own. Remember to break apart your whole number. And remember that that 1 that you take away is going to equal a fraction. So think of your denominator. When you are finished, you're going to do Zearn Lesson 22. Make sure that you're watching the video and finishing your notebook. If you don't finish Zearn today, you should be doing it at home tonight.